The deepest hole ever drilled. Why scientists had to stop. What if I told you that humans have explored space more than the inside of our own planet? We've sent spacecraft beyond our solar system, landed astronauts on the moon, and photographed distant galaxies billions of light years away. But beneath our feet lies a world that remains almost completely unknown. In fact, the deepest hole ever drilled by humans doesn't even come close to reaching the Earth's core. This is the incredible story of the Kola Superdeep Borehole, a scientific project so ambitious that it pushed technology to its absolute limits. Scientists expected to uncover Earth's greatest secrets. Instead, they discovered something even more surprising. They learned just how little we actually know about the planet we call home. The story begins in 1970, during the Cold War. While the United States and the Soviet Union competed in space, Soviet scientists launched another ambitious mission. Instead of reaching for the stars, they wanted to travel deep beneath the Earth. The project took place on the remote Kola Peninsula in northwestern Russia. The location was carefully chosen because the Earth's crust there was considered stable and ideal for scientific drilling. Unlike oil companies searching for valuable resources, the Soviet scientists had a completely different goal. They wanted knowledge. They hoped that drilling deeper than ever before would reveal how continents formed, how mountains were created, and how Earth's crust had changed over billions of years. Construction of the massive drilling rig began immediately. Every meter deeper increased the pressure, the temperature, and the difficulty. For years, the drill continued descending into the Earth's crust. Scientists celebrated every new depth record. By 1989, the team reached an astonishing depth of 12,262 meters, making it the deepest hole ever drilled by humans. Even today, no one has drilled deeper. Although the hole is over 12 kilometers deep, it is only about 23 centimeters wide. If Earth were the size of an apple, this hole would barely scratch its skin. The deeper the drill went, the stranger the discoveries became. Scientists expected to find dry, solid rock. Instead, they discovered water trapped inside tiny cracks deep beneath the surface. This ancient water had remained there for hundreds of millions of years. They also found microscopic fossils buried several kilometers underground. These discoveries changed what scientists believed about Earth's geological history. But the biggest surprise was the temperature. Researchers expected temperatures around 100 degrees Celsius. Instead, they measured nearly 180 degrees Celsius. The extreme heat softened the rock and destroyed drilling equipment. Every meter became harder than the last. Engineers built stronger tools, but nature always stayed one step ahead. Eventually, scientists realized they could not continue. The Earth itself had become the greatest obstacle. After the project ended, strange rumors spread around the world. Some people claimed scientists had drilled into hell and recorded terrifying screams. The story became famous on television and later across the internet. However, none of it was true. The recording was fake, and scientists never found anything supernatural. The real discoveries were already far more incredible. By the early 1990s, the Soviet Union collapsed, funding disappeared, and the project officially ended. Today, the hole is sealed with a simple metal cap. Beneath it lies the deepest point humanity has ever reached inside our planet. Even after decades, no one has gone deeper. The Kola Superdeep Borehole remains one of humanity's greatest scientific achievements. It reminds us that although we've explored space, the greatest mysteries may still lie directly beneath our feet. Perhaps one day, new technology will allow us to continue the journey. Until then, the deepest hole ever drilled remains one of Earth's greatest unsolved adventures. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more videos about science, history, and the greatest mysteries on Earth.